You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Now that, what the heck, that straw? Oh, nothing. It's about to be Christmas! Bum 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 bum. I'm bored. Here's a cute little kitty. You know you can't upload videos with your face. You can. Okay. This is my baby girl, Miss Panda. Bum bum. Hey, Miss Panda. Hi. Hey, Miss Catherine. Don't take a video of her. I will not. Hey, Miss Panda. Bye, Miss Panda. Hi. I don't see Bandy anywhere. Probably one minute now. So obviously. That's okay, I'll wait. Oh. Sorry.
Children,
Hey.
they're like, hi, Miss Catherine, and they both just keep doing what they're doing. The door is locked.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, the screen door is locked. I'm going to open it and let her in.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You need both hands to
You
do
got a
it.
camera.
You got it?
I got it. Let's look at you.
Finish your movie stuff. You know, on my TV set. Oh my God. That means the TV shot. There's these 3 movies. I'm fucked. I'm fucked, Valerie. I am so fucked. Tigers, now the volume on my television.
I can't wait till this Friday. Why? We get them surprises.
The volume means it's shot. My TV's 10 years old. I had that TV since that television was in Mackenzie's room in Hawaii in 1999. Oh wow. You mean on the same day?
My dad. Yeah, Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese. Come here. Video. This is our black kitty. We haven't named her yet. Yes, we did. I forgot. Katie, give me Bambi. She smells like cat food. She's Bambi. Look at my beautiful Bambi. No, Bambi, Bambi, Bambi. It's okay. Bam, bam. You may go. Oh God, Bambi, you're stuck. You're stuck. Uh-oh, boom.
So even though he's an athlete, I'm not going to call her that first one of those
Zella is.
And on those 2 weeks, I could concentrate.
See, those kids may not even be here. My mom might have been because they were her son. They'll be leaving Friday, and I'll be picking them up Monday. Yeah, well, I'll leave them here.
Zella is dead. Please, God, come. Can you help her get back? SpongeBob! Bum, bum, bum. Playing nothing! Playing nothing! Guess what? Playing nothing! Playing nothing. And that was it. Bye!